Left 5, 30. Right 4 long over crest, tightens. And left 2 long, tightens 40. Right 4 over bump, open, caution. Hard brake for acute hairpin right over tarmac, 60. Left 6 into left 5, short. Into right 5 over bump, into left 3, long open, 30. And caution, right 3, long keep into left 1 over gravel. Right 3, long over crest, tightens, 40. Left 5, tightens 4, don't cut. Into right 4, 100. Flat left into right 5, long, tightens. Left 3, short, narrows, don't cut, 60. Left 5 over crest, 30. Right 5 over crest into left 3, very long. For crest and left 4. Into right 3, open over crest. And right 4 into left 5, short, 30. Bump over crest into left 5, long. Into right 3 and left 3, open. Into right 5, open long. Into right 4 and left 4. Into right 5 and left 5, 30. Flat right into left 4 over crest, open medium. Into flat right into left 5, short over bump. Into flat right, brake into left 4, keep in, 80. Right 4, brake for hairpin, left over tarmac, 50. Flat right into left 5, small cut. Into right 6, small cut. Caution, hard brake for square right at junction over gravel, 50. Caution, brake for square left through gate, 80. Right 6 into left 5 and flat right tightens, 5. Hard brake for square left, 80. Caution, square right over tarmac into flat left. Into right 5, small cut into flat left. Into right 5 into left 5, 30. Hard brake for square right over gravel. Into left 4. And right 3, short 30. Right 3, long. And caution, hard brake left 4 into square right into flat left 80. Left 5, keep in, tightens 4. Into right 5, short and left 4, hard brake, tightens for square left 40. Flat right over bridge and left 3 over crest 30. Right 5, short into left 5. Left 5 into right 5, very long, tightens 4, over bridge. Flat left into right 5, over crest, into left 5, 30. Right 5 into left 5, long, tightens. Into right 5 long, into left 4. Into right 4 long over bumps. Left 5 long over crest. And right 5 open. Caution, left 4 open over bumps. Into right 3, long over crest, tightens, don't cut. Into left 6 for finish.